to healthequalbeauty.com. Today we are showing you our DIY African black soap that we have made into our essential oil infused soap that is great for acne and eczema and sensitive skin. You'll notice here we are packing the soap, and you'll notice how it clumps together because it is already a moist natural soap, but when we infuse the essential oils with it makes it even more moisturizing and very effective. It is an effective soap by itself, but this infused soap makes it all the more better. You can take this container, empty it into a bottle of your choice, and make your own liquid African black soap that has been infused with the natural essential oils of either rosemary, lavender, or peppermint tea tree. We have a lemon zest. There are different aromas, and after we've packed it, there you are. That's the container. You can get it at healthequalbeauty.com. Remember, you can get that at www.healthequalbeauty.com. And in this particular lab tour, you're going to see our Intense Moisture hair sauce. This moisture is made with our natural unrefined yellow shea butter mixed in with our natural aloe vera. It is also infused with other plant-based oils that are amazing for the hair. It keeps it very moisturized while not weighing it down. It is not a greasy hair sauce, and it comes in this full 4-ounce container. It is all natural and it smells really good. It's very effective, and it is infused with all the natural goodness for your hair. Well, we hope that you get on over to our site, www.healthequalbeauty.com, and you can get yours today. Thank you for joining us.